Here are 5 hidden compliance risks that could shut down your haulage or logistics business and how to fix them before it's too late. Running a haulage company or a logistics business today is tougher than ever. You're juggling tight deadlines, vehicle maintenance, driver scheduling, and somewhere in the chaos, compliance can easily slip through the cracks. But here's the thing, one mistake is all it takes. An outstanding license check, a missing maintenance log, an untrained driver. All of these can put your operator license and your entire business at risk. And if you're not 100% sure where you stand, then you're not alone. That's why we've put together this list of the top 5 hidden compliance risks in transport so that you can identify weak spots and fix them fast. So number 1 is outdated driver licensing and CPC checks. And it's easy to assume that once a driver has qualified, that they stay qualified. But the DVSA and the DVLA don't see it that way. Driver licensing status, medical fitness, driver CPC compliance, and all the regular verification, it's your responsibility to ensure that it's all up to date. And the risk is letting a disqualified driver or expired driver operate a vehicle puts your business at serious legal risk, and it invalidates your insurance and could result in prosecution. So what can you do? You can schedule regular driver DVLA checks, keep a digital record of CPC cards and expiry dates, and use a compliance tracker to flag up any up-and-coming expiries. Incomplete vehicle maintenance records. You might keep your fleet in great shape, but if your maintenance logs are sloppy or missing, you're still non-compliant. The DVLA requires clear proof of preventative maintenance, inspections and repairs, and they will ask to see it in an audit. The risk is incomplete records can result in vehicle prohibition notices, fines, or even worse, the loss of your operator licence. What can you do? You can digitise your maintenance logs. You can log every inspection, every service, and every repair by date and by mileage, and you can assign that to someone to manage the fleet compliance weekly for you. 3, poor tacho and driver hours management. Driver fatigue is one of the top causes of road accidents, and that's why tachograph rules and working time directive limits are non-negotiable. But are you tracking them accurately and taking them seriously? Risks. Tacho violations can lead to penalties, HSE involvement and licence suspensions, especially if there's evidence of systematic issues. What to do? You can schedule regular tacho downloads of the driver cards and of the vehicle units. Use software that automatically flags up any breaches. Number 4, outdated health and safety risk assessments. Depots, loading bays, heavy goods, manual handling. The industry is full of hazards, and generic health and safety documents won't protect you. Risk. If an employee or contractor is injured and your risk assessments aren't fit for purpose and they're not up to date, you could face prosecution under the health and safety laws. What can you do? Conduct tailored risk assessments for each site and process. Regularly review and update your safety policies. Train staff on emergency procedures and incident reporting. Number 5, no evidence of employee training. A lot of businesses rely on verbal briefings or the on-the-job training, but without any written proof of completed training, it's as if it never happened. The risk is, in court or during an audit, lack of documented evidence looks like negligence, even if your intentions were good. What can you do? You can keep signed training records or use digital tracking tools. You can roll out standard induction programs for all new drivers. You can use online training platforms to cover legal and safety essentials. Because the bottom line is, don't let your compliance kill your business. You wouldn't let a lorry go out on the road without doing a pre-check. So why would you let your business operate without a compliance check-up? It doesn't make any sense. So from licence renewals to training logs, risk assessments, compliance in logistics is about prevention and not about reaction. Waiting for a knock on the door from the DVSA or the DVSA or the HSE is not strategy. You've built something worth protecting, and don't let one missing form or one expired licence or one unchecked driver bring it all down. Get ahead of the risk, get smart and get support.